Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is for all the financial reporting students. Here we are going to discuss and devise our 45 days plan for the next September attempt, that is in 2023. So, guys, I know 45 days are remaining, and most of you have already booked your exam. So, it's another level of pressure on us that we've booked the exam and we have not started our preparation yet, or we have taken it lightly till now. And maybe this is our first exam in ACCA qualification. So, we have many doubts in terms of relation of exam technique, how ACCA asks the questions, and what is the pass percentage, etc. So, guys, when you're giving some exam for the first time, and I would say it is relevant to all professional qualifications, that you should have sufficient time in your hand once you are attempting that paper. Before that, you should have at least 20 days in hand for revisions, 15 to 20 days for revision, and getting comfortable with the timing of the exam, with the technique of the exam. So that means we should be done with our syllabus as soon as possible. And we'll quickly move to practice and mocks to gain that confidence. So financial reporting syllabus, up to certain extent, you guys have done it in your BComs also. If you're from CA background, of course, you've done it CA also. So that means it is not a difficult syllabus. ACCA is all about exam technique. So we have to quickly cover the syllabus, getting all the conceptual clarity and move towards practice. So for that, how we are going to cover the concepts in the remaining days, if you're reattempting the exam or you've not started the preparation yet, or you have started the preparation, but you took it lightly and you went off the track from the planner that I gave you in the orientation. So please stick around and watch the full video and share it with your study buddies. And all of you must follow this 45 days plan and keep me updated on my Instagram handle that you're following the plan or not. So without any further delay, let's start with our video. Okay, so this is an Excel sheet that I'm going to share. And this sheet is as it is going to be given to you on your description box. In your description box, it will be available. So this is our FR September 2023 45 days plan. So let's check this out. Okay. Over here, as you can see, our non-current assets have a lot of information like IS 16, IS 38, 40, 20. These are your PP, intangible assets, investment property, government grants, borrowing cost, and all those things, right? Which are part of your non-current assets. I really believe these are the most important and basic things of FR, and that should be covered first because these are basic. As I said, these are carried forward from F3 as it is. They will be carried forward to SBR as it is. So very important but basic chapters. So first cover them because they have weightage in section A and B. Very much weightage, huge weightage. Above that, if single entity is tested in section C, they have weightage there as well. So that means these are the most important standards of your FR paper and you must cover them well in time. Now, when I say cover them, I would say if you're enrolled for any classes, first cover them via lectures. I really believe I said it in my SBR 45 days plan also that lectures are direct substitute for the text or any kind of reading material. That's what tutors are for, right? They need to summarize things for you. So if you are watching someone's lectures, first cover them through the lectures. And if you want to enroll for our courses, I am taking FR at Wi-Fi. So you can simply WhatsApp me and you can get the information related to the recent batch. Now, if you're taking someone else's lectures also, always try to make your own notes. I know tutors have their own notes also. We also have our own notes. That's fine. But I'm not saying you have to copy and paste the whole lecture into your running notes or you have to copy and paste the whole text into your running note. But I'm saying at least make a small flow chart because FR and taxation are such papers where basically there are a lot of rules. So in FR, we have logic two rules, debit and credit logic. Plus, we have some terminology also. We have some words, keywords of the standard. So I want you guys to write down those keywords Okay, not mug them up. At FR, you don't need to learn them or mug them up. You need to just understand them because they are going to ask you the application in terms of numericals. So you should just write the rules of the standard in your own words in one flow chart, right? So if you have non-current assets, IS 16, you talk about the definition of PP in one liner. Then you quickly just make the subsequent treatment cost model, revaluation model, small flow chart with the rules of two models, right? So that's what I would recommend you to do. First, watch the lectures and then make your short notes out of it. Then don't forget to solve the T values. Test your understanding questions. So guys, I follow Kaplan for my students and I also recommend Kaplan for numerical exams. So if you're using Kaplan, good. You must solve these T values. Even if you're using BPP, there we also have some illustrations in the chapter, right? They always explain a concept with a numerical example. Now, in my lectures, I cover those numerical examples. If it is covered in your lectures, good. If not, then you will cover it yourself. These are very important. This will build your base for your upcoming exams and FR also, right? So 22nd to 25th, you will do lectures, notes, TYUs, and then you can also solve MCQs from the related area topic. Only the MCQs, no section C as of now. So 22nd to 25th, I think you should put at least 3 to 4 hours every day. By doing so, you'll be easily able to cover NCA portion by 25th, right? Then single entity. Now, this is single entities, individual financial statements, and these are the standards there, which I expect you guys to complete by 1st of August. Now, here, once you're done with single entity, why I've given you a lot of time for these standards 15, 16, financial instruments, IS 12, 10, 37, and 33. Because here you will also practice, apart from MCQs, you will practice section C questions also. So if you ask me, ma'am, which questions from section C, when you're preparing the syllabus, of course, you can't aim to complete all questions from that topic as of now. So what you will do, you will just go to page number 19 from the example of Kaplan kit, I'm saying so. In BPP also we have topic wise segmentation. So if I've covered single entity concepts, I will be given a question range that these are the questions which relate to single entity. So you will cover those questions. If you are enrolled with me, then of course, in my live sessions, I give you the question ranges and I tell you that these are the questions that you have to practice from the recorded content over the portal, right? Then you have groups. Now, these groups are very important again. So this will be covered by 7th of August. Consolidation you've done in F3, it's carried forward in FR. So it will be by 7th of August, same approach as single entity. Then interpretation, cash flow, IFRS 13, IS 8, all other small standards by 12th of August. Now, by 12th of August, by following this plan, you'll be done with your syllabus. You have to strictly abide by this plan. Now, there's no scope of loophole, okay? Now, if you leave this train, there's no other train to September attempt. Then you'll be in those last time study people who procrastinate till the end and they have a lot of burden towards the end, who just, they only rely on luck and they pass by luck also. So I would really suggest that please follow this plan and then watch my game changer revisions that will be freely available to all of you. You should practice the remaining kit in the remaining days from 12th of August till 25th of August. And 25th of August and 30th of August are these approx dates by which you should be giving your mocks. Now, mocks play a very important role, so we can't simply deny them. We have to give mocks, whatever is the level of preparation. So if you're watching this video, guys, that means you want to study. All you have to do is ignite that fire within you, because if you want to cover ACCA as soon as possible and start with your job and get over with the subjects, and also if you've failed FR first, if you want to get out of that heartbreak that you've had in the June attempt, buckle up. Now is the time to actually start the preparation and strictly abide by this plan. So all the best to all of you. I hope this was a helpful video. Don't forget to share it with your friends who are also preparing for financial reporting and keep me updated on my comment section or my Instagram. See you.